Hi, this is Sang-Jung. I am a CEO of Microsystems. I established the company for bringing a decade dedicated research technologies to our customers. My first product is active self-cleaning drop-free glass. It is different from old hydrophobic coating-based, passive type self-cleaning glasses. Drop-free glass additionally uses an electric voltage, but it cleans all drops even in a few nanoliter volumes. We would like to first to apply this wonderful technology to automotive camera applications. So you don't need to worry about driving a car rain day. I hope you enjoy the product. Thank you for your kind attention.